1. Desktop. A desktop wallet is installed on the user's computer, providing complete control of the funds and relative budget safety. There are thick desktop wallets, which allow users to download network blocks and control their authenticity, as well as provide independent security management of their funds. On the other hand, thin wallets don't require users to download blocks and can be easily downloaded to a portable device. 2. Mobile. The main advantage of a mobile wallet is that the user's funds are always on hand. It is a very convenient way of paying for goods by scanning QR codes. In some cases, users can take advantage of their smartphone's near-field communication feature, which allows them to just simply tap their phone against a reader and not enter any information at all. One common feature of all mobile wallets is that they are not full Bitcoin clients. This is because a full Bitcoin client has to download the entire blockchain, which is constantly growing and requires several gigabytes of storage. 3. Online. If using a web-based wallet, users' private keys are stored online, on a server controlled by someone else and connected to the internet. While it allows people to easily access their funds from any device anywhere in the world, there is always a risk of the server being hacked or even the organization running the service taking control of your bitcoins. That risk, however, can be significantly reduced by implementing a variety of security measures. 4. Hardware. Hardware wallets are dedicated portable devices that can hold private keys and help facilitate payments. There are several different kinds of hardware wallets, but all of them allow users to carry essentially any amount of money in their pocket. 5. Paper. Perhaps one of the safest options for Bitcoin storage, a paper wallet is basically two QR codes, generated using a designated service. One of them is a public key, an address that can be used to receive BTCs. The other one is a private key, using which you can spend Bitcoin stored at that address.